Magic Fruit Salad. The ingredients for this recipe are going to be 1 can of pineapple tidbits and juice, drained, 1 cup of green grapes or other seedless grapes. In this video we used red grapes, 2 bananas sliced, 1 package of vanilla instant pudding, and 1 3/4 cup low-fat milk. The instructions for this recipe are: place all the fruit into a large bowl, sprinkle with dry pudding mix, slowly add milk, stirring constantly until pudding thickens, and serve immediately and refrigerate any leftovers. The servings per this recipe are 12.